Hello student, today we will complete our next topic of chapter complex number. Today we will complete equality of two complex number. Clear? For it, first of all, we have to understand that what is the journal form of a complex number. Complex number is always a combination of real and imaginary part. Means journal form of the complex number is x plus iota y. Clear? X here is the real part of the complex number and y, which is written with iota, is known as imaginary part of the complex number. So in this topic we will discuss that how we are able to find out equality of the two complex number. Clear? For example, they are given us like this, that write the following as a complex number. They are given only -16 and they said write it in the form of complex number, and we know that complex number is what? Complex number is always in the form of x plus iota y, where x is the real part of the complex number and y is the imaginary part of the complex number. So how we are able to find it? I am going to write it as -1 multiply 4 multiply 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 multiply with -1, answer will be -16. From these two 4, I am going to take 4 out, and inside is under root -1. And we already know that value of under root -1 is iota. So I am able to write it like this: 0 plus 4 iota. Here 0 is the real part of the complex number and 4 is the imaginary part of the complex number. Like this way, if they will give like -1 minus under root -1, write it as in the form of complex number. How we are able to find it? -1 minus, in square root I am able to write it -1 into 5. Clear? Now here -1, separate the square root, -1 and square root of 5. -1, under root -1 value is iota and under root 5 as it is. This is our complex number. Clear? Now we will write that sometime the examiner will give you such type of question that they written one complex number 7 plus 5 iota, and they can say to you that find out the real part and imaginary part of the complex number. So here real part is a 7 and imaginary part is 5. Always remember that whatever the number and the coefficient written with iota, that is your always imaginary part, and without iota number is known as your real number. So real number, real part is 7 and imaginary part is a 5. Like 0 plus 7 iota, if they are given to you and they said to you find out the real and imaginary part, so real part of this complex number is 0 and imaginary part of this complex number is a 7. Clear? Now we will solve the equality of the complex number. Sometime they will give you such type of example that a plus iota b is equal to 2 minus 3 iota, and they said to you find out the value of a and b. Find out the value of a and b, and condition they are given: a plus iota b is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Always remember, when two complex numbers are equal, then real part is always equal to real part and imaginary part is always equal to imaginary part. Here the real part is a and here the real part is 2. So real part is always equal to real part, so value of a is equal to 2. Imaginary part is always equal to imaginary part. So here the value of imaginary part is b and here the value of the imaginary part is -3. So value of a is 2 and value of b is equal to -3. This is your answer. Clear? We will solve one more example. They will say to you like this, that find the value of x and y such that 2 plus 3 iota y and 2 plus 9 iota represent the same complex number. They represent the same complex number. Clear? If these two represent the same complex number, means these two complex number are equal. Here correct the statement. Here is 2x plus 3y. So 2x plus 3y iota is equal to 2 plus 9 iota. And we know that if two complex number are equal, then their real part is equal to real part and imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. Here the real part is 2x. Here the real part is 2. So find out the value of x. 2 divided by 2, answer is 1. Now imaginary part equal to imaginary part. Here imaginary part is 3y and here imaginary part value is 9. So y is equal to 9 by 3. Cut value is equal to 3. Clear? This is your answer. Value of the x is 1 and value of the y is a 3. We will solve one more example like this. Find the value of x and y when 2y plus 7 plus 4 minus 3x iota is equal to 0. Clear? Now listen. This is the complex number, but here they are only given us 0. And we always able to find out the value whenever both side, means on the left side and at the right side, both number are complex numbers. So 0, first of all, we will write in the form of complex number. 2y plus 7 plus 4 minus 3x iota is equal to 0. Write it as 0 plus 0 iota. Clear? Now real part will be equal to real part. 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. And imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. 4 minus 3x is equal to 0. Find out the value. Value of y is minus 7 by 2. Value of x is minus 4 divided by minus 3. Cut answer is 4 by 3. Clear? These are your answer. Y is minus 7 by 2 and x is 4 by 3. From your book, solve the related question. Thank you.